Differences between AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are closely related concepts, but they have distinct differences in their scope and functionality. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. These tasks include reasoning, problem-solving, perception, decision-making, and natural language understanding. AI can be classified into types such as narrow AI, specific tasks like voice assistance, and general AI, human-level intelligence, which is still theoretical. Machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data and improve performance over time without explicit programming. ML uses statistical techniques and algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions. Examples include recommendation systems, fraud detection, and speech recognition. Machine learning is further divided into supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In summary, AI is a broader concept that aims to simulate human intelligence, while ML is a subset of AI that focuses on training machines to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video.